Well, hello there, YouTube. Escargo80 here, coming back at you from quarantine. It's been more than 3 weeks, and we are having a total, lockdown. It's almost gonna be a month since I've gone out. It's crazy times for all of us, but positivity and the meditation is very important. I just wanted to enter this quarantine comic kit contest of Huey from Blast It or Stash It channel. Huey, he's great. He's done a great video recently, and it's very simple. There's like 3 questions, and it's like a quarantine contest. So I said, what the heck, just make fun of it. By the way, I'm having a little Irish whiskey, which is let me show you guys. It's Tullamore Dew, and it's great actually for day drinking and even for after hours. So anyway, let me get on with the contest. So the first question is, how are you keeping yourself from going completely insane? Well, I'm not an essential worker. I got some kind of a family business after my father passed away, so I'm at home and I'm keeping myself busy with Netflix, PlayStation 4, but I'm mostly drinking. So like the Deadpool himself said, not in daily basis, but it started with like I generally drink at the weekends with my pals, with my friends, but it's not quite possible these days. So twice a day I'm drinking whiskey and watching YouTube and watching all these great, there's a top 50 comics tag going, and it's really fun to watch. It started with Spider Comics 7, and I've seen some great videos. I'm enjoying them. I'm reorganizing my most wanted list, and also yeah, that's how it goes. Second question, how do you think this comic freeze will affect the community? It's a good question. Well, this freeze, this limbo we're in, it's gonna end. It will end eventually, sooner or later. And I don't think that the community will be affected very much, because we are all suckers for the back issues, and this is a perfect time to get our attention on the back issues, the issues that we missed in our wish lists, wanted lists. And as an overseas collector, we have a great LCS. I'm in contact with them. I'm texting them. We have a message group, and we normally we don't get our books every Wednesday, so there is no new comic book day on Wednesday. We get the books in every 3 weeks or monthly. So in our basis, for me, it's not gonna be a huge problem, because I always go buy several issues, and I'm sure your LCSs will also be needing your support. So you don't have to go and get like a 1 month full of comic books, but you can get them part by part. Yeah, so monthly pull lists, you can do them in like you can get them in 2 or more than like 3-4 installments. It's not gonna be a huge problem. Question number 3. How will you be getting your comic fix during this time? I think I already answered that. Yeah, like back issues. I'm buying some books from eBay and also from IG, Instagram. I'm texting back and forward with my LCS. They're, you know, arranging my pull list. So, as I said, this time, I don't know how the diamond will operate. You know, how the diamond, whenever this will be permanently be over, how they will orchestrate this crisis, I don't know, but I'm sure it will end sometime. What best to do is to keep up with the things not to do. So not to go out, you know, have some responsibility, you know, keep the faith, and those good days ahead, you know, keep positive. And yeah, that's, I think we should be concentrate, we should keep our focus on. And yeah, I made a little list for shout outs, if I may. Damn, it's too good, very good. Huge shout out to my friend Mark Spector Comics. I enjoy his videos, and I enjoy, you know, his whiskey brand, Whiskey Tastes. He already showed a nice Conor McGregor Irish whiskey earlier, yesterday or today, I guess. A nice video. But I watch S-Fun Comics, Simple Simon. As I said, Mark Spector Comics, Southern Comic Geek, Comic Crypt of Castle Hills. These are the channels that I watch mostly, and you know, during this time. Comic Food 2814. He's doing some, you know, Mr. Box unboxings. It's great to watch these guys, to pass time, you know, to meditate. It's great. And my friend, my dear friend, Mr. D, who's done a very awesome, very gorgeous top 50, very fast, very quick top 50, very recently. Please check that out. Check it out. It's a great video, great taste. We have very similar taste with that guy. Yeah, these are the guys I'm watching. Anyway, this was my entry, and so I hope all of you stay safe, be safe outside, keep the faith, and let's just wish this will be over soon. Escargo 80 signing out. Cheers.